three signals that we are observing through this entire, coverage of the LATAM region, the Latin market for finished lubricants is one, increased presence of OEMs brands, not only from China, but also from India in the case of the Caribbean. They are putting their agenda, introducing cost-effective, affordable brands that are, making a case, especially among, middle class in Latin America. They are also showing certain type of flexibility in terms of the different type of lubricant approvals, specifications, viscosity grades, not much necessarily focus on OEM specifications. They don't have something like that. So the Chinese OEMs brands, they have really a very big opportunity to be shaping the lubricants market, not only in terms of the volumetrics, but also how the different viscosity grades will be shifting across the time. The second point is electrification. It's rising, but it's still from a small base. It's not happening across all the region. It's happening mainly at the starting point in public transportation. We will not observe, because of that, we will not observe clear disruption in terms of the internal combustion engine manufacturing supply chain. And secondly, in the aftermarket as well, we will not see any kind of onset or decline of PCMO at a certain point of time, because essentially hybrid vehicles are one of the suitable applications for Latin America. They are still having the need for engine oils. So essentially what we observe is that the vehicle park, passenger or commercial, will be increasingly diversified. It will be a mix of technologies that will be, led in by internal combustion engines, in a combination with renewable, lower emission fuels, like biofuels in the case of Brazil, or natural gas in the case of any other, gas-producing countries, Argentina, Peru, for example, hybrids and battery electric vehicles. And third, there is obviously premiumization trends that are being shaped by higher emission, more stricter emission trends, sustainability concerns, but on the other side is still a segment of products that will be creating volume demand, just because still import of used vehicles is is a major, not a major trend, but it's still important across the markets in Latin America. Used vehicles from North America especially, and those are having still service field lubricants demand. They are having, more frequent oil drains, and also the nearshoring and the more sustainable practices in mining and construction, and new legislation is being announced in different countries in the region about sustainable mining, sustainable construction. This is something that it will be benefit both volume and value wise.